Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really simple. We're just gonna draw a cute little Kirby plush. So here's my full sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this super easy and cute Kirby plush. So to begin, we're going to draw in the top shape first, which is going to be one smooth curve. Okay, so just one little arc. And then now we're going to make the bottom a little bit wider here. So we're going to bracket down. And then right on the bottom here, it's going to be a little bit flatter. So we'll just round it out, but just flatten it out. So that looks like it's kind of sitting on the ground. Okay, and then once we have this, we can draw in the legs right here. Really simple, so right on the bottom. Let's draw two curves coming out. And then now let's go ahead and draw in the cute little face right here. So just come to the center of this. And then I'm going to go up, make one little point, and that's going to be his mouth. And then from here we can draw in the eyes. So just come to the side here. Just one egg shape. And then one more on the other side. Right on the top here. Draw a little circle, that's going to be the highlight, and let me shade around it. Okay, and then on the side right here, we can draw this as well. For the little cheek, so just two little egg shapes, so really thin. All right, and then lastly now for the ears. So just kind of come up right around here. You make two little points. Again, just two curves right behind the curve. And that is it for this super easy to draw Kirby plush. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.